Today we're gonna talk a little bit more about consultations, how to prepare yourself, do's and don'ts, and things in between. First up, come with a clear direction. I don't want you to bring a final design, but you should bring some references, some pictures that you want me to work from, some ideas. It doesn't even have to be a picture, it can be a song, so I can feel the vibe of it, or a movie. I always recommend people to choose few of the designs from my Instagram that they really like. Gosia just finished 3 consultations as well. No, how many consultations? 5. Gosia was having 5 different consultations, 5 different people came over with 5 different ideas.
We talk about space placement as a kind of entry, how they imagine that they're going to look like with their tattoos. Everyone being really prepared today, which was helpful because we could really dive into it.
Not overly prepared.
Maybe some people were a little bit overly prepared.
That's okay, that's fine.
But it's fine, I appreciate it.
It's fine. I like to call it, when you're coming over with an idea for a tattoo, cortado moment. There's not too much milk, not too little. It's just perfect. If you're coming over for a consultation, don't bring album that you were creating over the years with hundreds of photos of different tattoos. Less is more. Next, which is really important, is the budget. Every person which is coming for a consultation with me knows before the consultation how much I charge for a full day session. I'm sending to everyone an info pack with examples of my work, how many sessions it took. If you know what's your budget, I'm pretty sure I can tell you what's possible. I usually work with big design sleeves, full back pieces, leg sleeves, so this stuff takes a lot of time and budget. Also, when you're planning your tattoo, tell me what else do you plan around that time. Do you have any wedding or any holiday coming up? I cannot do a blackout of your arm if week after you're going to Greece with 40 degrees Celsius. No. We have to plan everything. Next step which I want to talk about is dress for the area you want to have tattooed, which means wear some comfortable clothes. If you want me to tattoo your full sleeve and you're coming over for a consultation with a super tight sleeves that you cannot remove, it's gonna be difficult to look at your arm. Wear some comfortable clothes that the placement which is gonna be tattooed is easily accessible. Next step, ask questions. This is what the consultations are for. You can ask me as many questions as you want. There is no stupid questions. I will explain everything. I'm more than happy to get really geeky into explanations because I love it. I love talking to people. I like explaining everything in depth, everything tattoo and design related, and how I work, what the process is gonna look like, how many sessions it will take. Next step, don't bring a crowd. Tattoo is for you and I wanna talk to you. I wanna have a chat with you. I don't want to have a group chat. This can be overwhelming and very confusing to navigate. I want to do a good job, give myself 100% to the person I'm working with. If you cannot decide what do you want, I will help you. I'm an artist, this is my job. Next, don't be vague on purpose. Very often people coming over and they tell me, just do whatever you want. I want to do everything. This is the problem. I want to do so many things. So I don't know what I want. Give me a little direction, please. It's gonna be much easier for me to design something for you. Don't expect the design to be ready during your consultation. During the consultation, we're gonna talk about the design. I can do a couple of mock-ups very quickly to show you the ideas which I have pre-drawn on my iPad. I'm always getting ready the design on the day with my client. I have lots of things ready for you based on our consultation. During the day we can just change, just to make sure everything flows beautifully. The whole composition needs to move perfectly with your arm if we're tattooing the arm. I'm very geeky about that. My brain works best when I'm working on the day. This is how I trained myself. I've got massive library of my pre-drawn designs which are ready to go. I've got a nice setup in our studio, as you can see. It's like a jungle. I love working in here, it's so quiet and cool. If you have any questions or any funny consultation stories, just put them in the comment. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me for more. Thank you very much and see you again soon. Bye bye.